I felt like that was one of those moments where the bell rings and I'm just like right in the middle of talking. So I kind of forgot that 15 minutes was the max. I'm okay with that. Again, you can, these are YouTube, like I did them through YouTube so you can speed them up. So I'm not worried about you. Anyway, what I was saying was you are going to type these answers in where it says, oh, here we go, where it says, teen, ask these questions to your parent. There we go. Ask an adult these questions. Then you need to do that. But if the questions, or if the spot says, parents, please interview your teen, you are more than welcome to hand them your Chromebook and say, okay, mom, you get to type this in now, or good luck, dad. Now you get to use my Chromebook. It's not easy. Whatever you want to do. The other thing I was going to mention on these is that you need to create 3 questions and your parent needs to create 3 questions. I know some of you are like, this is a nightmare, but we are in our family communication unit. So we just put that together and here you go. The questions can be easy. If you need, sometimes I like to Google search questions. What's a good question to ask a teen or a parent or whatever? So feel free to do that. You don't have to come up with ones on the spot necessarily. Okay, so there's this assignment. This is a real assignment. This I need you to fill out. By the way, I do not give you points if you haven't already figured this out. I don't give you points for saying IDK. I don't give you points for saying I don't know. It's so difficult for me. I don't know what I'm going to teach my own children, but it's so hard for me to hear you say, oh, I don't know. Like, what's your favorite color? I don't know. First of all, I'm not asking you the formula for some crazy scientific experiment, okay? Like I'm asking you an opinionated question. You could say black, like my soul, or whatever you want to say. And I would be like, okay, thank you, moving on. You could say hot pink. Do I know that that's true? No, but you could just say it so that you don't sound like, I don't know, don't care, disrespectful, I don't care. You need to say something. So again, I know these questions are a little deeper, they're a little more complicated, but please give it an answer. Don't tell your parents you don't know. Ugh, drives me nuts. So anyway, let's go back to this. So I just put this in the first video and then I'll do the second video because it's all the videos you can handle. All right, parent interview. Last but not least, extra credit opportunity. So many people have asked me, can I get extra credit? Ugh. Yes, you can right now. This is you can do an interview just like you did with your parent, but you can do it with a grandparent or somebody over the age of 50. At least that would be my preference. By the way, if you don't have these people in your lives, if, it says mom and dad, but if you have an aunt you're close to, I'm okay with that. If I don't want an older brother or sister, I want somebody that has more life experience than that. So a teacher that you're close to, you can email me and think outside the box, but do not skip your parent interview because your mom and dad, whatever it is. Okay, I get that we all have issues with those things, but just email me. Same goes for grandparent. I'm not saying just because you don't have a grandparent, you can't do this extra credit opportunity. Again, pick somebody over the age of 50, somebody that's been here a long time, and ask them these really fun, interesting questions, okay? So that is worth 5 points extra credit. It's a lot. Like, that doesn't seem like a lot. It does add up quickly. I already have a student in another one of my classes that did just 1 extra credit, and he has 102% in the class. He has not gotten 100% on all of his assignments. It just adds up so quickly. So, if you have any questions, let me know. Let's go back here to week 4. I think that's it. Tomorrow's assignment is very easy. It is a Kahoot that you will create, or that you will do practice with because I'm going to give you what I'm going to consider Unit 1 test, which is character, communication, and family. That may sound like a lot, but the quizzes and tests up to this point haven't been much. It's been 8 points here, 8 points there. This next one is going to be a little longer and a little more detailed. So those little quizzes that you've been taking should spark ideas about what you're missing. Okay, what didn't I study? What didn't I look at? But that's okay because we're going to talk about that when you get into class. All right? unless you're online, because I'm doing this for you guys too. But I'll help you study as well. Okay, thank you for listening. Hopefully you made it this far. And if you did, great job. Email if you have questions.